to launch meme coin on Bloom, in order to qualify for Bloom Airdrop, you need at least 750 Bloom point to qualify. So make sure you have funded your account with at least 1 ton, so they can now launch the Bloom. Each launch will give you 500 meme points. So straight away, what you need to do is to tap on launch token. If you don't know how to fund the account, I will show you how to fund your account before the end of this video. So the first thing is to put is the name of the token. So assuming I want to put using Rich, then I'll now, after you put the name of the token here, it can be any name. I'm using Rich. It can be any name at all that you want to. You can use your name, anything. So the ticker for the coin, I'm putting the ticker here. I'm using the same Rich as the ticker, and the ticker will be in capital letters. And then the description about Rich, I'll just go to, I think I already copied the description I want to use, so I just paste it here. At least the description should be at least more than 200, at least 240 words. So I'll just repaste it again here to make it up to 240 words. This is it. I'll delete to take it to that. So these are the things you need to do. The first thing is the name. The second one is the ticker Rich. So Rich must be at least 5 words, 5-letter words. So let me see. I will type it again. Rich. So having done that, you upload the icon. That's the image you want to use. So I'm clicking on this plus button here to upload the image. I'll select any image here. This particular image here that has a bullish. With your phone, you can pick anyone. I'm picking this, and I click on done. So having done that, click on continue here, and now banner, you tap on this to add a personalized token banner. So I will see pick the same thing I use. Click on done. So once you click on done, I've added a banner. You can add your own Telegram handle if you want. You can add a Twitter handle, Instagram handle, website if you want. So if you don't want, if you want, after I add it, or you now come to this continue. So tap on continue. When you tap on continue, it's review. You need at least 0.1. So 0.1 is what I'm buying the coin with, but the fee here is 0.05. So click on review. Then you can see the launch is, if you are launching the token, it takes you 0.562 ton to launch, and the fee, everything total is around 0.7 to launch 1 token. So for it to launch 2, to get that amount or point you need to launch 2 coins. So each one you give us 500. Remember, I've launched one. I'm launching the second one now to make me to get at least more than 750. That's 1,000 meme points. So I click on launch. I'm doing this video in order to show you, because the first one I didn't show you. Click on launch again. So it's taking me to confirm the transaction. Okay, now click on confirm. Click on confirm again. Put my pin. So once I put the pin, that's confirm transaction launching. The token launch will continue in the background. It's safe to close the page. You will be notified when it's ready. So I have done the launching, so they are creating it in the background. The blockchain, the Tom blockchain, is creating the meme coin, so that I will notify it, so I can tap on got it. So basically this is how it works. Make sure you do this. This is the easiest way for you to get this meme point. If you want to trade, it will take more longer time, but it's the 2 ways you can do is either you launch or you trade. So for me, launching is the one I choose. So I click on got it. So basically the coin should be trading. Let me go to home here. So the coin, you can see share the token. It means it's launched already. So I can copy the link for the token. I can copy the token contract address. Reach is live, so it has been launched. Congratulations! So you can buy it. I will share you the those that want to trade. I will share the token contract in this video's description and comment, so you can copy and trade this rich. Let us become rich together, you know. So go to token page. So this is the coin I just launched. It's live 1 minute ago. This is called rich. So I can buy and sell more. If I want to buy, just come and click buy. For those that want to buy, want to trade, so if you come here, the same way you do, you come and click on buy and put any amount of 21 to use to buy. So once you put it, you now click on buy rich, buy, confirm. If you want to buy, even the coin that I create, and if you want to buy this coins I created for you to get your main point. So this is how it is. You confirm it. So once you confirm it, that is all. You have bought the rich. So let me go to my point and see. Let me see my point. By now I should have 1,000 points. So you come to home to see your point. So wow, I have 1,000 points now. So I've gotten the second criteria to qualify for Blum Airdrop. So you know the criteria is at least you have 100,000 Blum points, at least 750 main points. So I have qualified for this. So and at least you should refer 2 persons. So you can check your leaderboard. You can come here and check your tap on friends. I want to show you whether you see a leaderboard. You can see this account is number 1,900,000 in Blum rating. So let me see on a main point rating. Okay, it's here to reflect my main point here. Let it reflect. It show my former main point. Let me refresh it and see. Remember, I will show you how to fund the wallet at the end of this video for those that don't know how to fund their wallet. And also please subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. So this is the one for Blum point. Let me change it to main point and see the okay, that one I created is yet to show, because here is 1,000. I'll be able to show. So I need to observe something. If you check here, even though it's showing 500, this account is number 294, meaning that most people have not really gathered this main point. So assuming now the 1,000 issue means the account will be rated higher. So that is it. This is how you can launch meme coin on Blum Memepad. So now I'm going to show you how to fund your account if you don't have ton. So just come to these 3 lines here top and tap on wallet and allow it to load. Now click on deposit. Copy your wallet address. Make sure it's on ton space, because if you open here it may be on wallet. So if it's on wallet, you can use it on the ton that is this wallet to create that meme coin. So you change it to ton space. From ton space you now click on deposit and click on here, copy the wallet. You can now go to exchange, can be Binance anywhere. So this is where I withdraw from Binance. Binance can withdraw up to 0.5 at a time. That's the cheapest the cheapest can withdraw for. So this is how you can basically create your meme on Blum. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, subscribe and let's meet at the top of success. You know, for those that subscribe, thank you very much. If you have any comment, question, let me know in the comment section. Let me also check whether this thing have reflected before going. Yeah, okay, to reflect. So it will reflect. So thank you for watching, and let's meet at the top of success.